Hi guys, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you the Kryptonite Products track bar for the 13 to current Dodge 25 and 3500s. That intro was a little bit misleading. This track bar from Kryptonite fits the radius arm trucks in the Dodges. So that's going to be the 14 to current 2500s, and then in the 3500s, that's the 13 to current. But this is another masterpiece from Kryptonite. This is a much beefier forged steel design track bar. This fits in the stock locations on the truck, so no need to modify the track bar pockets or the the attachment points on the truck. This fits in stock location. This track bar will work on an up to a 6-inch lift truck, and this has got the center bolt turnbuckle adjustment design, and it's pinch bolt, so you can make very finite adjustments on this, and instead of having to some track bars require you to make like an indexing adjustment of the track bar, and you just never get it perfect. But with the pinch bolt design, with this center turnbuckle here, you can make an infinite number of adjustments on the track bar to really get that drivability exactly where you want it. And the nice thing about that design is it doesn't have to come out of the truck. This can be adjusted on the truck without having to take it completely apart. And just like any other Kryptonite product, this has got a full lifetime warranty on it. You register your product with them as long as you own the truck. This has got a complete lifetime warranty. Doesn't matter whether you wreck the truck, whatever you do, if you break this track bar, they will replace it for you free of charge. So that's a big thing for peace of mind for you guys. One thing I forgot to mention, the ends on this bar are fully rebuildable. So they have a kit from Kryptonite. So this is pretty much another lifetime product that you'll put on the truck that solves a problem. The flimsy OE track bar that is on this truck doesn't help you really, for most of you guys that are owning these trucks and are going to try to drive them right into the grave with you. So really great product here, made in the USA. We are a fully stocked Kryptonite warehouse distributor. So if you guys are shops and you're needing Kryptonite products, please look to us to serve you for that, as well as if you all are retail users, we've got you covered on that too. So Kryptonite track bar for the 13 up, we'll just call it the 13 and up, Dodge 25 and 3500s. This is a very nice upgraded track bar. Check them out.